Yo, went to support my LGS today while I was out doing my errands. Copped a couple items. Kaldheim Prerelease pack, since we can't do it in person yet. A 8th edition booster and going for the gold on the Commander Legends collector booster there. Alright, so let's get right into it and open our pre-release pack for Kaldheim. What do we get? We see a blue card, and our pre-release card is Ascendant Spirit, a snow creature, 1-drop for blue. 2 snow would become a Spirit Warrior, 2/3, 3 snow to make it a Warrior Angel 4/4. Or those creatures like level up, or like the Figure of Destiny style for a little snow 1/1, huh? Alright, doesn't seem terrible. Doesn't seem great. Don't know if I'll be keeping that. A black Kaldheim die. And the arena code. Hope it didn't flash it there. Another divider, which I always use to my other boxes. And what else have we got in here? A little Kaldheim mini poster. A little chibi anime version. And how to build a pre-release deck. I think that's it for the contents of that. Yep. Little dice box. No secrets in there. Alright, let's get down to the packs. The game doesn't stop here. MTG Arena. Some commons. Ten commons. Finn the Fangbearer. Alright, the Death Touch Poisoner guy. Axguard Armory. I'm going to need a foil of that one. Fearless Liberator. And the Blessing of Frost. And a snow-covered is land. It is land. Just wanted to read this squash card because I like the art. 6 damage to a creature, planeswalker, that only costs 2 if you control a giant. And I keep that armory on top too, just in case I don't get a foil. Alright, Tybalt's pack. Alright, we got a foil in this one. Shepherd of the Cosmos. I really do. I like the new snow border. I think that looks pretty cool. I don't hate it. Shepherd of the Cosmos. Nico Defies Destiny. Batter Shield Warrior. Firja's Retribution foil, which is a pretty cool card, I think. And Snow-Covered Forest and a foil common, which is the Axguard Cavalry. Dwarf Berserker that gives somebody haste. And a Tyvar Kel emblem. Alright, pack 3. At the start of the pandemic, I would still build sealed decks like I was pretending to, but not anymore. Doesn't give me anything to do that anymore. 7, 8, 9, no foil. Priest of the Haunted Edge. Okay, yeah. The 3 seasons. Mill 3 cards, return 2 snow cards to your hand. Choose 3 cards, shuffle them into the library. They only got 3 seasons, huh? Path to the World Tree. Usher of the Fallen. 2/1 for 1. They can pay 2 to make humans when you attack. That is pretty aggro. And the Graven Lore. Scry the snow, spent to cast it, then draw 3. Instant. Snow instant. And a snow-covered mountain. Oh, and a ring. A ring token. For when you make 9 of them or whatever. 8 more. Wow. Savannah Lions, indeed. No foil. The Frostpire Arcanist. The Immersturm Skullcairn. The Rune of Speed. Alright, this is the one that can enchant an equipment. Weird but cool. Maskwood Nexus. Craziness. Don't know if that really fits in any of my tribal theme decks. I guess it is. Like if I put it in the night deck, it would make like the 3 creatures not in their night. And then poop out shapeshifters that are blue, huh? Alpine Meadow. Oh look, it's one of the snow duels. Snowland, Mountain Plains, enters the battlefield tapped. Cool beans. And a double face indicator. That's pack 4. Pack 5. Pilfering Hawk. No foil. Starnheim Courser. Glimpse the Cosmos. Oh, it's an alternate card. Alternate. Carter the Doomscourge. Goads all the creatures. And when attacking opponent creatures dies, well, attacking creature dies, each opponent loses. Cool beans, Carter. The Hailstorm Valkyrie and the Tyrite Sanctum. Target creature becomes a god, and target creature becomes an indestructible god. Target god becomes an indestructible. Really like the flavor of that, like for Magical Christmas Land EDH of, you know, making my little pet creatures indestructible gods, but don't know how that's going to work out in reality. Cool, we got an alternate. It's pretty sweet. Alright, last pack. Sup, Kaya? We got a foil in this one. Just want to peck out that little snow. Snow zombies, Drowers. +1/+7 menace pumps itself. Well, that I think is pretty decent. At least for the decks I would like to play in limited. The Trickster God's Heist. Exchange, exchange, exchange. You get 3 exchanges, and the last one is life. Blizzard Brawl. So a snow fight. Snowball fight. Yeah, if you control 3 or more snows, the creature you control gets indestructible and +1/+0. That's nasty. That's a naughty card. Green doesn't need that. Narfi the Betrayer King. The Zombie Snow King. That's cool, uncommon. Oh, we got a mythic, the Haunting Voyage. Oh, right, it's the quasi sort of improved something or other Patriarch Spitting. The costs 1 mana to be one-sided, or actually costs a turn. Costs a turn and 4 extra mana to be a one-sided Patriarch Spitting. Right? Yeah. our foil is the Ascent of the Worthy uncommon. Choose a creature you control until your next turn damage will be dealt to creatures you control is dealt to that. So you get a quasi-pariah, then return it to the battlefield as an angel warrior in theory. Uncommon Saga. Alright, cool mythic, cool zombie stuff, cool snow stuff. Maybe I will make a deck anyway to see if I can build a snow zombie deck out of this. You get to add as many snow basics as you need to in Kaldheim Limited, or just regular basics, and you got to use the snow ones that you crack. Alright, so Commander Legends in 8th edition. What do you want to do first? Let's do 8th. No foil. Pyrotechnics, Wild Spears, Blanchwood Armor, the land, and our rare is the Western Paladin. Destroy target white creature. Boofers there. Ravenous Rats. Oh yeah. Cool white border cards. Alright. Last pack, the Commander Legends Collector Booster. Let's see if we can get rewarded for supporting our LGS today. Here we go. Card 1 is a Fated Ghastly Demise. Just fresh, open the pack and you can see that's what we're dealing with here. Maybe that's a full art one that's super curled. Oh yeah, look, we'll just cut right to it. Generous gift. Alright, so Ghastly Demise, Entourage of Trust. Man, these cards smell bad, they're faded, and they're Pringlicious. So horrible. Aven Surveyor, Wild Size, Universal Solvent. That's what the pack smells like, is a Universal Solvent. Daring Saboteur, the Generous Gift, Extended our foil. Anara, the Wolved Familiar. Bell Borka, the Spectral Agent. And foil extended our wrong turn. That would be nice if I hadn't already copped one of those. And a Braid, full art. Keeper of the Accord, full art. That's cool. Tuya Bearclaw. And Crown, Ludwig's Opus. Oh, 3. Alright. And another Bell. Salamander Warrior, foil token. Zombie on the other side. So we got the double bell crown pack. Forgot you get 3 of these. And then any of these slots, right? Any of these slots, the regular full art slot or the regular cards can have a full art foil upgrade. Generous Gift and a wrong turn. I like that card. Alright, no Hull Breacher, Agent, or Lotus in that one. Just a bunch of stinky foils. Alright, that's it for the video. See you all around. I'm sure I'll be opening more shit. We'll get the Kaldheim Collector's boosters coming in later on.